Cartel album God and Time, Alkaline album NPT. Out of the two albums, I do a breakdown.
2,000 years later.
Out of the two albums them, me have to say Vybz Kartel album is the better album. For more than one reason.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Vybz Kartel have the song named Panic, which featuring Shensia, which is easily one of the hottest songs in dancehall and one of the biggest songs released in dancehall of 2026.
A few moments later.
Good, if you know say good for the culture. People glad to see Vybz Kartel and Movado. After so many years, them actually have a collab together. Be good.
You keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up.
So you remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How are the latest news them?
People are gonna don't know one Media Fox. Yeah, man. People, see Necko fire run out. You see where we see dancehall move right now. I'll be an internet thing, be a controversy. Nothing we have to do with music. The competition, the bag of madness on the media. No Media Fox got to work already. Seeing? I would always show people them knowledge, especially when it comes to music. I kind of see say them I use Alkaline album for prep up Vybz Kartel album. There's so many album drop after Alkaline. Why them not compete with Kartel album? You know why? Because if them do that now give Kartel album no strength. So them have to use Alkaline album. Because remember, you know, Vybz Kartel album is not him alone dominated. He have 6 collaborations. You understand? Vybz Kartel has 14 tracks. Alkaline have 16. You understand? Alkaline have Girl Good right now. One of the biggest songs in a dancehall right now. You understand? With Vybz Kartel album, we don't see songs dominating. You understand? We don't see we just a bag of internet thing. People say, yo, them like this and like that. But to see the effect. You see me? It's not even a chant #1 in the countries. You see it? But we're going to hear say.
Kartel album God and Time, Vybz Kartel album God and Time, Alkaline album NPT. Out of the two albums, I do a breakdown. Both albums them to me, them regular album, nothing special about them. However, out of the two albums them, me have to say Vybz Kartel album is a better album for more than one reason.
Here, you know, why is it better? That's what I'm telling you now. You see, enough of them DJs where play music, them don't know about music. So here the reason why it's going to be better. Here, you know, people, you think so the man got talk about rhythms and quality and everything. Here what the man got say.
Vybz Kartel have the song named Panic, which featuring Shensia, which is easily one of the hottest songs in dancehall and one of the biggest songs released in dancehall of 2026, which is also on the album. Him also the God and Time, good song, solid song, without a doubt. The collaboration with Movado, yeah, good, but it's not a hit song. It's not.
People, you see when you forward upon the media and you don't know nothing about music, you just forward for just flap yourself. You say you have a reason to say why Kartel album better. You just name Vybz. Remember, you know, this is a collaboration you talk about. You're not talking about the rest of the body of the work. That's how you have to understand say God and Time. Right? The song when Movado and Vybz Kartel sing, that have nothing to connect with God and Time. Eh? The song with Shensia and Vybz Kartel that have nothing to do with God and Time. That more annoying people. Because all him talk about a Shensia and this biggest song, that you call say that better over NTP, brother? Does the title have the energy of the whole album? Brother, that's why our music they are not gonna wear. Because the thing they want to gravitate to and step on the media, trash. You understand? Because you are gonna look on an album when you have God and Time with 6 collaboration and compare it with an album where one artist dominate. And first of all, you just call out 2 songs we don't even relate it to the title of the album God and Time. And this you flap yourself, dog. You don't know music, me G. You just play music for hype and money pull up. You don't know music. You understand? But we listen to what I say, people.
Not a hit song, it's not a dancehall classic, but it's a good song. Good, if you know say good for the culture. People glad to see Vybz Kartel and Movado. After so many years, them actually have a collab together. Be good for
people, Necko Fire, let me tell you what you do, dog. Talk about anything else, but don't talk about music, my G. So yeah, so the reason why Guys Cartel album better is because Movado and Cartel do a collaboration, and it good when Movado and collaboration have to do with the whole entire album being a quality album or the better album. Bro, I'm telling you already, you know. Controversy and cloud cannot move the genre, my G. I be a internet on a run with. You understand? Them thing they can't move culture. From Vice Cartel forward out, I be a controversy and all of them thing there. Uno use for major dancehall. Bro, them thing they no work. You understand? It no work, my G. You see it? For example, the video where Cartel do with the song in the background. Don't you see him go sing the same man a K-man and the people them stand up on him? I tell you, say we're in a different world. I tell you, Necko Fire. Just play music, but don't criticize music, brother. You don't know music.
Dancehall and music history. Gone to Alkaline now. Alkaline album to me was, as I said already, regular. Nothing special about it. The biggest song in a dancehall space for Alkaline after the album is Girl Good.
Okay. Now me see why. Oh, so is the collaborations you're saying make it just regularly? People not hear what I say? So true Vice Cartel have Movado with him and Shensia. That's why you try to say the album better. So you feel like say when you critique something, it's all about the artist selection? Or who is the artist? It's about the quality, brother. The message, the story of the album. The album is God and time. It only have a start and an end. Everything in the middle crash. You understand? The song with Vice Cartel sing when he in panic with Shensia. Is that aligned with God and time? People in the comment section, tell me. The Movado song what him and Cartel do. No be a shades. No this no in the media me see them a say Cartel a shade Alkaline. So what that have to do with God and time, people? This album with Vice Cartel do, it's all I try get the hype off of Alkaline. Them run with the song we say Vice Cartel at this Alkaline, and now them there I compare Alkaline album with Vice Cartel. Imagine. You just call out two songs. Whiskey depon it, other rest of artists them depon it. For sure, no brother. A hype on a run with. You see me? A hype on a run with me G. So the only reason why, you know people, the only reason why Vice Cartel album better is because Cartel and Movado do collaboration for years. That's it. You understand?
The song when name Bad, which me did tell you already say is a good song. Graduate is a good song, but them not transcend and graduate. If said become dancehall, it's song for 2026. Them Gaza the Venezuela fans them are gonna love the album, same like how the Gaza fans them love God and Time album. But for the two album them, me have to give the edge to Vice Cartel. Even though the two of them is just a regular album, nothing special to me. Alkaline album New Level Unlock is still Alkaline best album up to date. And Vice Cartel album now, God and Time, is actually a better album than the album when they submit for the Grammy. Remember, just break it down that way there. And in dancehall overall, for the past 5 years, Masicka released the best album, 438.
So wait there. Yo, me tell you already, you know. You know what media facts talk around here. Let me tell you this, brother. Because what she say, yeah, try to put Masicka thing. You notice Masicka dropped 2 albums, right? And people, how them figured some Masicka drop an album named GOK? Everybody a talk about 438. So wait there now. People, let me tell you what's the meaning. What the 438 mean, right? So the 438 album, basically what Masicka said. He said it's like an angel positivity, right? Its number represent positivity and upliftment. But people, Masicka have a song on the album named Contract Killer. Wait there. Because the only thing I know about this album, you know, people, is the name with numbers 438. But why don't explain what it is about it? Because it's not in line with the title, you know. 438 supposed to be an album of upliftment and positivity. But when you check it, Contract Killer and Vanish with him and Dexter up. But if it is the best album, why the artist hardly perform a song on the album? And that more I know, you know. Right? Want to tell me the major songs out of the album. The only song Missy Masicka sing every show where him go is They Don't Know. And that drop way before the album. It wasn't a new song. Him have song with Sean Paul, Popcorn, everything. What happened? Me not understand this. Me know say Alkaline New Level Unlock. Him a perform the song them. Tell Masicka to perform 5 songs out of the album there. Right now. Tell him. You understand? Tell him that. Because every day you know get up, release this and release that. Me tell you say I hype on a run with, bro. You see me? But we're going to make him away, Masicka. I'm a flap himself, people.
Me want to think we're from the best album, but me as my review on the album them. And me I look forward to see Masicka album. Me I look forward to see all the dancehall artists them album same way. You see me? That is my honest opinion and my review on both album. But me give Cartel the edge in terms of bigger hit songs on the album. And one thing me say too, but I wish Vybz Kartel they feature Tamale on the album.
What you mean by bigger hit songs, bro? Which song on the album Vybz Kartel have bigger hits? Bro, what are they? Which part in the world on them, G? Brother, there is no song on that album right now that bigger than Girl Good right now, brother. Not do that, me G. The world can tell you. From UK to Canada to USA to the whole Caribbean can tell you that, me G. There's no song on that album we're bigger than the Girl Good. Me I tell you that. You understand? When it comes to Vybz Kartel, una use internet and hype for measure it, like a measuring tape. Them things they not work out there in a real world. You understand? Right now, brother, right now, if you check it right now, a tour are going with Alkaline right now where people them are represent when it comes to Girl Good. Me not see that with panic. You understand? And it's so funny. Una use a collaboration, a compete with a man with dominating album. First of all, Vybz Kartel album no stream #1 in a plenty countries like our NTP stream. The man album hardly a top #1 in the countries, my G. You understand? The man shell down the Caribbean. True, Girl Good I do it thing because it's a representation of woman. You feel like say the others a sang them, nah do well. And because you don't live in a box in a dancehall, my G. You understand? So I don't know which it song out of the album of Vybz Kartel drop. But you know what? Vybz Kartel have shows are forward. So let's see what go on. You understand?
Put feature on the album. That would have been a boost to the album. But other than that, for the both album, them alright to me, regular, but nothing special about it. Vybz Kartel album, God on Time, Alkaline album, NPT.
Yo, I tell you, you know.
He end up a post a picture with himself with one of Vybz Kartel song to get Necko forward. See Masicka did this Vybz Kartel and him end up lose about 60% of him fan base. See? Who no stop follow Alkaline. See? Alkaline was the only young rising artist with this Vybz Kartel and can't stop rise till this day. Who don't have the brain power, brother. Who don't have the lyrics. Who don't have the drive in our.
You know, say you have talented artists out there. But me tell you why a problem with some of them dancehall artists, yeah. Them don't have a backbone. Them not brave like Alkaline. Them can't be a boss like Alkaline. Rather than them stand on them own, them have to just bow. You understand? Seem like what TJ do with you. Yeah, man. Them nah, it's like them a follower, them a leader, and that's why them career no last for long. Alkaline focus on theme work and do what him have to do. Him no cater what haters want to say. That's why the youth reach so far. You understand? 90% of them have to use Cartel strength and big up Cartel or bow to Cartel. But what do for them career? You know do nothing for them career. You understand? Alkaline say boss, every boss. And the youth really a boss. You understand? Because him are the only dancehall artist, so we see, have shows I keep all about the world. You see me? If you're a young youth, where I do this from early. You see me? Yeah, man. So, them artists are them weak. Enough of them run down clout and them lazy. So them feed off other artist strength.
See? We no stop follow Alkaline, brother. Because Alkaline is a man where anything where him say, him back that. Anything where we say him can't do, improve on no wrong. See? We no stop follow Alkaline, brother. Be on self. Miss.
Yo, people, look at what going on now. She know every lyrics in a girl good, you know. People, wait, man. Them not see nothing yet. Cause them feel like say girl good song or some normal song. Just look what go on, man. You see me? Cause I just a bag of internet chatting them depend.
Title girl bed, fuck him overnight. Want him one if you understood. When girl, the pussy top tail, she don't wipe forward. When girl good, cute face, shape, clothes, girl nice. Come in our cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice.
So wait there, people. Before I play that, remember when Alkaline sang a mash up a place and them say, oh, I just the hook part, Ray, this, that. Me tell them already say, the outside world of dancehall is a different world. That just be a corruption going in a little dancehall space. But you see out there in the world is a different thing, different impact. So
you ready for kill city? Half pussy in front of me, she give me with a hole in her tear, pussy drop on. Both independent me, I say that come for this money in a shot, you know how you start. You set me good doing, you sexy, man, I'm gonna free. Blow my life, come but like a hydrant. I mean, if we have a over and now one. Put your panel fours, I beg you want more. If you want me drill your boom boom, do you like chore? Or sit up for me, nothing pussy green and pure. Me sing it in your thing. One thing I want to be understood. Good girl. The pussy top tier, she don't wipe out. Good girl. Cute, face, shape, clothes, yeah, nice. Come in our cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice.
people, I just one of them thing there, you know. Me I talk about people, me I talk about musician, you know. Musician me I deal with, you know, people. You understand? Hear that lady, yeah.
I want them for you understood. When y'all good, the goody top tier, she don't want my boy. When y'all good, cute baby shape, those girl nice. Come on, cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice. Oh, I want them.
Yo, yo, one thing, you know, dog, when it comes to Alkaline music, you know, bro, them always turn it into some different thing, you know, people. Me I tell you, you know, you see it. But look at now. We are going to tell them and make them, yo, embassy have something to say, you know. You see it?
Whoosh. Before me go on a video, I want to go to all of the vendor DJ them. DJ Bolo, DJ Boy, and all the vendor DJ them, remember? Open here, man. So we're not going to get straight to it. But anyway, Necko Fire. The selector name Necko Fire. You don't know music of blood clot, you know? I swear to God, you don't know music. I mean, you come out about 3 days ago. I say, a Valiant, and 6 months after a year, a Valiant, and Masicka. You give the answer of the year. Come on, Necko Fire, man. And that's why some people call you all know, because this is not no sense, no? And you go play a fucking down, you know? And that's why some people call you all know, no? Or Jamaican call you all know, no? They're night, you know, on a 3 night of Jamaican, and they don't call you all know. Stop telling Bumbuckler like a media, man. You don't know music, man. Necko Fire, you have to be fucking on media, man. And we allow you because of the album thing, you know? We allow you.
Yeah, man, I trolling, man. He might try prep up Masicka album we have forward, you know. Because you don't know Masicka go forward a bag of collaboration, a bag of artists. Maybe you will Reiki go dip on it as well. You know Masicka go to work already, brother. You see me? I tell people, say, bro, when it comes to album, me would I want to see Masicka do a solo album, like him alone. We see if him can carry on the album there. You understand? A solo album we want here. For see what I go on. You understand? Because the industry been peppering up Masicka for years, bro, and we can't see the impact. We can't see the impact like outside of Jamaica, my G. I just be a Jamaica charts and a bag of thing. You understand? We want to see Masicka on some big stage, like him a headline some big stage, big shows. You understand? We want to see the song them, brother. Come and tell them already, you know. We only can see the reality and judge from that. So you see when the same artists them go up on some big show and perform these same songs with them say and mash up the thing, we are gonna see what go on. You understand?
Some album thing, you know. I'm saying no appeal mine, you know. But oh God, man, I know you can get a phone call. I have big selector. I'm see a pay and what not a pay, what not. Let's see a bouncy music in the house. Come on, Necko Fire, man. Learn the Bumbuckler music. If it's a Masicka artist of the year, you're not trouble. If it's a Masicka and Valentine artist of the year, you're not trouble. Cause no name song to be an Alkaline song. I got it and get about. They know about 80 year. We don't have a year. Necko Fire. Learn music here. Learn the blood clot music, Necko Fire. And stop play, man. Stop play. What the can. And just, anyway, here.
Brother, at the end of the day, them man I love music, you know, them don't know nothing about music, you know. I just a bag of trolling and bag of internet talking, you see me? Yeah, man. Cause if you want to say Masicka and Valiant take a year, you know, brother, at the end of the day, you know, me G, I one artist alone, me see where headline be a big shows right now, you know. You understand? Them artists now really get no bookings. You understand? When an artist are really run the place, you're going to see a lot of bookings for him. Promoter go reach out for them. High in demand. That's when you know say artists have a song them and mash up a place. You understand? Because look here now, Alkaline have Barbados. Him have French Guyana. The man have over Greece. The man have Dream Weekend. The man have Antigua. The man have Trinidad. The man have Afrofest. Bro. You can't now run a place and you get so much bookings, my G. How much of them are headline so much big show right now? Them not high in demand when it comes to music and promoter a link them and I say, yo, Ray, Alkaline shell down a guy in a way there. I'm go shell down Barbados. You understand? But you not go see, you know. That's why I just love wait on the reality phone to see what I go on. You see it?
Learn the music, Necko Fire. You want to learn the music, man? Artist of the year. We have chat it. Alkaline, straight. Song of the year. Be all good. Maybe we'll find the next banger. Because me one song preview. Not preview, me one song. And it's a bumbo cloud. That might beat, you know. Judge God. But we're not doing too much. Artist of the year, Alkaline. New music coming out shortly. Better people, get ready.
Yeah, man. Them are going to know what go on, man. You don't know. Big up yourself, ambassador. Yo, people. Big up on yourself, you know. Just a bag of internet chatting, is it?